Been out picking sage today. We already washed it several times. Ronnie's been out there to the garden picking cucumbers and tomatoes. I watered my seeds. I just planted some bush beans, some turnip greens, mustard greens, and some Swiss chard. And I would have planted more, but it rained on us as soon as we got that much done. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. And I got to pick some peppermint today and some parsley. And this is going in on our totes that we got in our tote lids. We use them to dry our stuff off of with a fan to dry our peppermint and stuff like that out. Our seasonings. So yeah, we got to do that today. We got basil already picked, rosemary already picked, and we're drying them out already. We got oregano picked. So we've been busy this week doing that. Y'all tell me about this. Hold on a minute. Let me show you something. Okay, if y'all ever grow these kind of bell peppers, if you have, let me know. Because I need to know what the name of them is or whatever. But we got 6 plants of these. And how many do they grow, or do they keep on growing after you pick them, or what? We've never grown this kind, and we don't even know the name of them really. We bought them at Walmart. We bought 6 plants. This is how much sage we ended up with after we took all the stems off of it. Okay, we're going to pick some peppermint today. Oh, my legs is killing me, y'all. Raccoon come out here the other day and sit in the middle of my peppermint, being nosy. That's what you see. You see that big hole right there? That's all due to a raccoon sitting there. God, it smells like peppermint candy right now. Gonna make a whole lot of peppermint tea or cookies or something. Cut always at an angle, you all. When you cut your stuff. How y'all been doing today? What have y'all been up to today? This was just one peppermint plant. That's it. Now, when you plant peppermint, it will take over anything you plant it in. So you got to be mindful of that. And this is my first cutting off of the peppermint this year. And it is a new plant to our garden. Our reddish greens, we got two things off them already. The radishes are still in the ground. And see, snails love stuff like this too. That's why you got to make sure you wash everything you get, because there might be a snail hiding in it. When it rains here, on this trailer here, it's got that little green stuff. Well, we get nothing but snails covers the whole trailer on all this. The whole trailer when it rains. Nothing but snails. You think we was raising a snail farm. Oh, I see a spider in here. Yuck. Get out of here, Granddaddy. Oh, there he is again. Come here, Granddaddy. Get your butt out of here. There you are. Now you can crawl wherever you want to. Okay, there we go. We gave it a haircut. Here's how much we got. Gonna take it in there and wash it and separate the leaves and stuff. Okay, we've got it washed. And now we're just gonna take the leaves off. And then we're gonna add it on a clean towel and a tote lid to dry it with a fan. We wash our herbs about 5 or 6 times. Get the dirt off, or to make sure there ain't no dirt on them. Now it takes about probably a week to a week and a half for them to dry with a fan on them. You got to go in there and keep turning them every day and all. You like peppermint, this sure make you hungry, yes will. I love peppermint, especially peppermint candy. Now you can stick some of this in some vodka and make you some peppermint, or you can make peppermint candy and stuff. You'd have to set it in a dark corner for about 6 weeks to a month and a half, maybe 2 months before you can use it for peppermint candy or anything. But like this, you can just make tea with it. That's what we're going to do with it, peppermint tea, most of it. We pick our strawberry leaves and dry them out too after the strawberries quit, and that way we can make some strawberry tea. And our blackberries, when we get done with them, we pick their leaves and dry them out to make blackberry tea. And raspberries, we do the same thing. Make sure if you get any berries, you wash them good with vinegar and baking soda. Let them set for about 5 minutes and then pour it out and do it again. Do your broccoli same way. If you got broccoli or cabbage or anything like that. Okay, we got this much peppermint. We got this much to make extract with. I'm going to dry them out to make extract. When I buy me some vodka, I'm going to put them down in it and put it in a dark corner for almost 2 months and then see what it comes out and tasting like. This concludes our video of today. Thanks for watching.